You might not be thinking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra yet, but rest assured, Samsung is hard at work. Even though the Galaxy S24, launched earlier this year, remains fresh in people's minds, Samsung is gearing up to kick off 2025 with a bang. The highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra is already making waves as rumors and leaks gain traction in late 2024. What's new with the Galaxy S25 Ultra? While official details are limited, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a contender for the best Samsung phone yet. Samsung's focus on AI-powered features will likely expand in the S25 lineup, with the Ultra leading the charge. Camera upgrades are also rumored to be a priority as Samsung aims to solidify its lead in mobile photography. Launch date and price rumors. Mark your calendars. A recent leak hints that Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S25 series on January 23, 2025, at its Unpacked event in San Francisco. As for pricing, the S24 Ultra's starting price of $1,299 suggests Samsung might not raise costs further, though the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU and premium materials like titanium could influence the final price. Design and display. Leaked renders suggest a bold new design. Rounded corners will replace the sharper edges of past models, making the device more ergonomic and user-friendly. Additionally, the Ultra is rumored to feature a 6.9-inch display, slightly larger than its predecessor, and maintain Samsung's signature flat glass design with a titanium finish for an elegant look. While maximum display brightness may not surpass the 2600 nits of the S24 Ultra due to cost-saving measures, the Ultra's M13 OLED display promises vibrant visuals, making it perfect for media consumption. Performance and AI innovations. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the S25 Ultra is expected to deliver significant performance and efficiency gains. AI functionality, including rumored parental controls and a generative Bixby voice assistant, could redefine how users interact with their devices. Battery optimization might also see a leap forward with a new AI-powered feature to enhance power efficiency. Combined with 16 GB of RAM, multitasking and gaming are expected to be seamless. Camera upgrades. Big things are in store for photography enthusiasts. Leaks point to a 50MP ultrawide lens upgrade, alongside innovative features like a variable telephoto lens for improved zoom capabilities. With these enhancements, Samsung is set to challenge Apple for the crown of the best camera phone. Software and longevity. Launching with Android 15 and the latest One UI 7, the S25 Ultra promises a fresh, intuitive experience. Expect new animations, customization options, and a more visually appealing design. Additionally, Samsung's commitment to 7 years of OS and security updates ensures that your investment will remain future-proof for years to come.